Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to improve battery life on Google Pixel 11. So first, go into the settings of your phone, find the battery settings, then battery saver, enable the battery saver, the standard battery saver, and enable the adaptive battery. Also, you can check the battery health right here and the capacity. Here we have the charging optimization, enable with adaptive charging. Now go back into the display and touch, lower the brightness level or use the adaptive brightness, disable the enhanced HDR brightness, disable always on display, enable dark theme, lower the screen timeout to around a minute, scroll from the top and disable every feature you're not currently using, for example a Wi-Fi or a Bluetooth. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.